Want to learn how to make your own token on Solana for very cheap? Then I got you. Keep in mind this is only for entertainment purposes. First, you will of course need a Phantom wallet and some Solana, but I'm pretty sure you all got that under control, so I will skip that. Search up PumpFun, connect your wallet and sign in. Now you have a profile, click start a new coin. I will just make a coin for this video, so don't buy this, it's just a test. Fill in the name, I will call it just a couple of chill guys. Add the ticker, add a description, and attach your logo for your coin. You can click show more options and fill in additional information, like a Telegram link, the Twitter, and a website. Now click create coin. Now it will ask you how much you will buy, and keep in mind you can get this money back, it's not lost. The only money you can't get back, and what you lose is the fee for creating the token, which is like 0.02, and the network fees. So about $3 is the total price. I will just put in 0.5 Solana. And keep in mind, I can get this money back, I don't lose these 0.5 Solana. And create coin. Wait a couple of seconds. And there we go. Now this is our token site. We can also buy more of our tokens right here. Let's just buy 0.1 Sol worth of just a couple of chill guys. And we can also press sell and sell our coins and get the money back, which I will do. You will also see some people buying, but this is mostly just some bots that will sell after 10 minutes again. That was very easy, right? Please leave a like if this video helped you in any way. It helps me out a lot more than you know. Thanks for watching.